Look closely. While you were sleeping, trillions of dollars just changed hands, not in a bank heist, but through a silent, calculated transfer of wealth. The rules of money have changed, and the old save, work, retire strategy is officially dead. If you are holding cash, you are losing. If you are not in the game, you are already behind. In this video, we are looking at the exact assets top-tier investors are stacking right now, and why the next 12 months will define your financial freedom for the next decade. We've been lied to. The narrative is that inflation is transitory, but the data suggests we are entering a long-term deleveraging period. When central banks print money, your purchasing power doesn't just go down, it vanishes. The wealthy don't hold fiat, they hold assets. They hold the means of production, the scarcity, and the leverage. Stop looking at your bank account balance, start looking at your asset allocation. The game is about to become brutal for those who don't understand the difference between money and currency. Solution 1. Tangible scarcity. Gold has outperformed fiat for thousands of years. But in 2026, it's not just gold, it's tokenized physical assets. Think of holding decentralized ownership in real estate or art without the hassle of management. Solution 2. Asymmetric risk. While the crowd is chasing headlines, the elite are accumulating assets with low correlation to the stock market. We're talking about AI-driven technology protocols and decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, that act as the new backbone of global finance. You don't need $1 million to start, but you do need a strategy that isn't from the 1980s. The most crucial investment isn't the assets, it's your mindset. The ability to pivot when the data changes. Stop holding excessive cash. Inflation eats it. Automate your acquisition. Don't try to time the market. Study, don't just follow. But here is the secret that the gurus won't tell you. The real winners aren't just buying assets, they are buying time. Every day you spend waiting for a dip or doing more research without taking action is a day that compound interest works against you. In the digital age, information moves at light speed. By the time you see a hot tip on a major news network, the smart money has already exited the position. To win, you have to look where others are afraid to. While the masses are panic selling during volatility, the top 1% are looking at the volatility as a discount code. They understand that wealth isn't made in the bull market, it's realized there. It's built in the red. The window of opportunity is narrowing. We are witnessing a generational shift in how the world defines value. You can either be a spectator watching the numbers change or a player moving the pieces. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that financial literacy matters. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. We're tracking these markets every single week so you don't have to. Check the description for our deep dive newsletter and the tools we use to track our own portfolios. Don't just watch the wealth transfer, be the one it's transferring to. See you in the next one.
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more of these videos.